channel Mohit. Today we are going to show Poundeja face and Christmas celebrations. So Poundeja, wait a minute, don't cut. Guys, press that like button in 3, 2, 1. Come on. This is Poundeja's real face. Please, my little brother. Press that icon to subscribe to the channel. Our link is in the description. Go and subscribe. Hi Poundeja.
Hi.
So today is Christmas. Tell Merry Christmas to all.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys. So today we are going to show Poundeja gift from Santa and for me. Guys, if you want more videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss any of our new videos. So Poundeja, today is Christmas.
Yeah.
So I think so you will not beat me.
If you do something, I'm going to beat you.
Poundeja's Christmas tree is right over there. I will put the picture so you can check it right over here. Will be Poundeja's Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yes,
It's awesome.
for us is right over there.
But mine is awesomer than that.
Poundeja,
I think so.
why we didn't upload videos for 3 weeks?
We already did a video.
But we didn't upload a video.
Yeah.
Poundeja, I just forgot it. This video goes premiere on two channel, my channel and Poundeja channel. Did you forgot that? I think so. It will be 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Yes. Poundeja,
Yeah.
why you didn't upload video for 3 weeks?
Because you are studying.
I'm studying, but what you are doing? You are just playing, right?
I'm playing Roblox for daily.
Yes.
Computer.
Then why did it? Then why?
In computer in night.
No, you will play in phone only, right?
And next, then I'll play with.
Okay, wait a
computer.
minute. If you want Fortnite videos, hit that like button. We will try to upload multiplayer Fortnite or
Yeah.
Poundeja will come or will not come, I don't know, because he is not having a laptop.
I am having a laptop, dude.
Okay.
I'm having 2 laptops.
Okay. Guys, now we are going to show our Christmas tree in 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is my Christmas tree. Poundeja Christmas tree will be awesome. We will show that next. First, this is my Christmas tree. Hope you like this. I hope you like this Christmas tree. I just done some decorations here. Okay, Poundeja, how is it?
Good.
Okay, let's go on to Poundeja's. Wow, Poundeja, yours is so nice.
Mine is nice, I tell you, right?
Yes, I didn't expect this from you. But my tree is bigger than you.
But it's still.
Okay, but it's nice. Guys, now I'm going to show you what I just kept in my Christmas tree. So we'll come back later. See guys, hope you like this. I hope you like this decoration. You can comment it out of 10 how is my decoration. So tell it in the comment box. Guys, now we are going to see Pawan Teja's tree. Oh my gosh, guys! I got the gift and Pawan Teja also. I think so it's looking like a Bugatti Veyron because it is in that size. Okay, that is that stem cricket ball bat. I think so. We can open it tomorrow because Pawan is sleeping on 12 o'clock. So we will see you tomorrow. Guys, now we are going to open mine and Pawan Teja's present. So watch till the end of the video. Okay, now we are opening Pawan Teja and mine too. First this is Pawan Teja and then we will open mine. Okay guys, put the music on. Guys, this Pandita Bogart is here on, and this is my stump, and then there is the bale, and then there is my bat. So I just saw this. I think so. I like this Christmas present. If you want to make me and Panteja versus cricket battle, hit that like button again and tell it in the comment box if you want it. So Panteja, we came to the end of the video. Come Panteja, tell bye. Tell bye to the subscribers.
Bye guys, see you until the next video.
Bye guys, see you in the next video.